Good morning, country people. Them good morning and welcome to this program today. You must realize, say this. So I don't replace Toriman today. I don't replace General Moko. That man where they get broom for sweep all place, for sweep all thing where they happen for country. That today be Women's Day. I want to wish a very happy Women's Day for all women them where they look we for all side for this country. Happy Women's Day for all women them for LTM for begin with, because they talk say correct charity they stand up for inside house. We wish happy Women's Day for our CEO where name na Madam Dinali Dikongo where did we for Douala and where they watch we and where they support we plenty for this program. We wish happy Women's Day for all the wives, for all our televiewers and our collaborators, for all the people that way they support we for this program, especially every day. Where Toriman, General Moko they do every day. Well, wish you happy Women's Day today, and why that way we did this program today, we go get in collaboration today one of our people the way they work with we here, and in the name of Agnes Betek Ayok. But before we are going to, we go enter first of all for the first story. We will talk about the trunk number them. The first trunk number we will get them this morning for a story concern the activity where women them for Southwest region, especially the one them for Limbe, the police woman them. You know, easy for be Kamambru, as it call them. Yes, I use the word for be Kamambru, and then at the same time for be a family woman. Yes, this woman they don't decide for enter street for make sure say they carry out activities then like these sporting activities where they see them. So when they see them, so they not only do this sport where when they see them. So the story we will get for that today. Now say they don't even visit orphanage them, and they don't cry out for talk say they so make each and every man no say woman then suppose for help other women then for grow inside their activities them. For fight against gender-based violence. Many women them make sure say they may help their each other them for fight gender-based violence. And we will get to interview for a policeman where it is support this woman them. That one will be at the second strong number for this morning. We will get them. And then after we will get strong number for Mungo division for the launch of these activities them, as we see women that they dance Zangalewa. Yes, they be dance that dance so now for the introduction for the launching for that day where it be that today the activities them ahead of this day where the divisional officer for this side they launch these activities and then call on all the women them say they make sure say they get involved in these activities then like we see them for that picture when I see them for this picture that they produce locally made food and even tea and even things that when a medicine for people then so that they don't go they enter they use Chinese products them again. Well, that one that's strong number for today. We go knock that small dengue as usual and then we'll be back for develop the story there. Welcome again, country people. There, if not just the watch we now, we will give you an opportunity for call for this program, and then that one will be a time for that for react for each and every story we will see them today because we go to show una things them plenty things there for inside country. We will first take una go for Southwest region and for show exactly how women them be very active for Southwest region. the kind of thing the way woman they don't do, the kind of thing the way woman they do for make sure say may they contribute in the fight against woman their mistreatment, in the promotion of woman their rights. Yes, we'll be talking about woman the way na police woman the way they don't enter inside activities them, plenty activities and like these sporting activities, and they start these activities every Thursday, and they start for make sports. So after they walk along the streets, then they go later on for visit some orphan them. Like when I see zero tolerance for gender-based violence, this one I say that woman the way they did knock and with their master they did violate them, where even them woman they are come with a woman they too like them, they violate them, made them fight against this. Would you see this human investment activity where woman they don't enter inside the clean place, make sure say before once they want reach, before today one reach, all place clean, because any woman way is say the correct woman must always make sure say may stay for better and clean and very conducive environment. Will you see that baby where that police woman don't carry her now? So now visit where this mommy them, where this auntie them don't go pay them for some orphanage. Very, very interesting indeed, because this woman them they decide say they so that people the way they don't get opportunity, where they don't get anything, may they give them a helping hand. May they come visit them, tell them say, una no worry, even if una know the celebrate Women's Day we think about una, we make sure say una day is our mind. Thank you very much, Story Man. We'll see there, we see the matron for the place where it explain exactly how did they do for leave. And inside this story, the person where they lead the policewoman them there, it talks say they so plenty of these things and these activities that they happen because say they know say they so that they carry woman at heart as woman be very important for them in the society. It be important for no TSA they so woman get an important role for play. We'll come back for the information there. We'll not worry about that one. The next now we go get the story for some person where now one of them, na policeman too like them, na person where it is support them, they never talk say behind any strong woman, strong man must day, and vice versa. Yes, because behind me today, General Moko day, it make sure say they so many program the work fine. Thank you very much, General. The only general we know how for keep the country uptight. Yes, the next person now where he go talk will be now a policeman where he don't decide to support the woman for the activity. Now the second activity, the second one, it will be an interview now where we go listen them and we go hear the support with them as man picking police they don't decide for put in for support this their fellow policewoman them inside this activity.
The police who is here in Limbe have organized 1 week of activity to promote the fight against gender-based violence on behalf of the International Women's Day. The International Women's Day for us here is not a leisure. It is a day to commemorating the fight against gender-based violence by protecting women and children. I have to remind you that the General Delegate for National Security have signed a never ever seen before convention between the head of security service with the UN women for the protection of women and children, especially in those regions in crisis as far north, east, Adamawa, northwest and southwest. This convention gives us the training of more than 1,000 police officers on the fight against gender-based violence and the creation of gender decks in some policy units in those regions. As here in Limbe, we have a gender desk located here in the Central Police Station. And then for the International Women's Day of this year, which the term is invest on women, accelerate the progress. For us, the first investment on women is to provide them security and protection. And then for us, it was an occasion to sensibilize them that we are together, we are with them. It is our duty to provide to them security and protection against those gender-based violence, which all the laws of our country condemned. Then for this week we was to visit an orphanage. We worked with orphanage and to provided them some gift. After this we was in school campus here in Nimbe to sensitize our children about the danger of drug consumption, the violence in school campus, and the gender-based violence. So, thank you.
Thank you plenty. That one achieved for police then where he talk exactly what we mean for support women there for this kind of time where women they celebrate themselves. Yes, today we they only celebrate for Jake Kaba, for dance or for jubilate. We make sure say we know exactly which woman their rights then be. Now for this story for today we go get inside our set today. We go get Madam Ayok Agnes Betek who he don't meet up with now for this studio, and we go knock this story together. Agnes, where he dressed very beautifully well with a fascinator. And I will tell you again, you are looking very fabulous as they talk for that language for BB grammar. Thank you very much for joining me this day, Agnes. Agnes, we be one of our co-worker here for LTM television. Happy Women's Day. Woman, eh?
Thank you, Flora. Thank you. I want to say Happy Women's Day to all women the way that you watch with today. We'll be happy for represent General Moko today because we know say it's not easy. They to talk say the Queen language or pidgin for talk inside studio not easy because for outside we fit talk as we like, but when you reach your inside and a different thing, they will thank God say at least we try our best. And I want to talk say Happy Women's Day for our boss Dinali and all the women there for LTM and all women the way they all over the world that they watch with today. As we don't see as women they do their activities, then before this day we see how the one there for Limbe they help, the one there they for orphanage. Flora, I want to say that one a very wonderful thing because it's not easy for look at the picking them. The picking the way they do for orphanage, where they don't get mommy or they don't get papa, it's not easy. And the people the way they take care of the picking them too, one give them a big congratulations because for being with the picking them, just imagine say you do for us only with 2 or 3 picking them. It's not the easy. You the shout so your head feel come out, but you go see a whole and picking them they plenty for one person for controller. The one a wonderful thing way mommy that they do for us. They will say thank you na plenty.
Thank you to plenty for accept for being with me today, Madam Ayok. Thank you plenty. Happy Women's Day again.
Happy.
We go be together till the end of this program, and we want to thank all these police women them and also custom women them for Southwest region where they don't put their hand inside pocket, they don't shake skin for assist the picking the way they don't get no person for the take care of them. Yes, it is very important for not say this so woman gets to be near Imasa, but it get to also be near picking them. Yes. Now to Riban we will carry we ourselves go right now for Mugo Division, place where they be launching these activities. Then we know say this launch take place for plenty regions. They're almost all over for Cameroon. We see women the dance. That one now na DOA they come for ceremonial ground day, and that ceremonial ground so now for Mugo Division where it come for launch these activities. Them women them they decide for show say they so they feel be capable. Tori man, we will make sure we will listen to it from Mami the talk for day because it explains some very interesting thing just inside this report we will watch and now so it explains say this so it be important for women for make sure say maybe they use thing where they get them for their hand for make sure say maybe they not be the consume thing the way they come over China because we get plenty thing them for inside our nature, we get plenty riches them. Maybe we listen to this Mami where it talk so because it gets some very interesting thing for tell we. Tori man.
Ginger powder, we take it in the evening as tea, mixed only with honey and fever grass. Very good for health. We also have moringa and fever grass as tea. Because we deal with natural, we want people to live naturally. Instead of taking a Chinese tea, we have everything around us. We have moringa, we have fever grass.
Excellency, the DO of Melon, the Senior Divisional Officer, you are highly welcome to the Ekanan community.
We'll come back for this studio now with the see say that one we been for Ekanang. Ekanang na some small locality for that side for Mungo division. Now that place where they be choose them for launch these activities them for the 39th edition for Women's Day where we celebrate them today. So we will join all other women them for this studio for the celebrate them. We celebrate all women there for all over. One day when they watch we even for that far village them for Manfe, for Tico, for all that small place there for Southwest way, you know, easy, you know, say Anglophone crisis them, Anglophone crisis for Northwest and Southwest never make things easy for women them at all. And we cry, use this opportunity as women them today for raise our voices them, Madam Ayok, for talk say no, too much, it don't too much. If women them, their voice if it be heard today, for say make this Anglophone crisis come to an end. What do you think about them?
Well, as far as Anglophone crisis be concerned, I want to talk say this crisis don't make plenty women them, they don't be widow. Where that time no reach for widowhood, and it don't make and they suffer plenty. You go see some woman 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, all them they look like say they don't be na old mommy them because of the suffer where they suffer. So we cry say if government fit do something, especially as we celebrate this Woman Day today, say may mommy them come out, may they continue for cry for government so that they feel look for solution for this problem, because it's not easy for woman for take care for bikini one, as well as it's not easy for man pikin to take care for bikini one, because some man pikin and they too that woman and too they don't die for this crisis and they don't leave them, only them will pikin them, and where you know the easy, you know the really easy. I get a situation just yesterday where some big friend in mommy be die for inside the war, and then my big friend he be there belle, immediately he be going to labor and he no be fit container. He be die during childbirth because he be here. Mommy die for village where mommy don't die because of the war, and as he go into childbirth, he not be fit for makeup. And shockingly yesterday too, after 1 year, where the woman die live in Massa, and that baby where he born am, after a year mommy die for village. The man too die yesterday. Where all this shock for take care for pikin you want, the man die in a shock because it's not easy for take care for pikin. They thought say woman get a place. Woman get a place, not be lie. And we used to hear say if woman die live in Massa, the lady stay that man to the die. I experienced and yesterday after a year say the man don't die. May his soul rest in peace.
May his soul rest in peace. I be witness with my grandparents too. As my big papa die, my big mommy be tell we say this, so we know we'll come back and see again. You know, back 3 months, big mommy will be sick, he just die. Same story for today. We will never forget forgive una. He come out now from Mr. Lambert then once more. Lambert once more Shukov in Yaoundé. Same story say one person one marry number 2 woman, he go the complaint say the other woman the over worry. One person one marry number 2 woman, he go start the complaint say the other woman the over worry. And this same story now Mr. Lambert then where he ever been a story man, where he ever work in collaboration with General Moko for this very interesting and important program we wanna watch them now from all over Cameroon. We go say make the man not we against one day then we'll come back for talk some other purpose story where they happen for country for know exactly what's our situation they as woman them, and also what's our situation they as citizens for Cameroon. We don't come back for this studio again. If una still watch we thank una very much. Happy Women's Day for all the women they just join we now. The next story go carry we now for some place for littoral. We said they broke plenty people their house them. I just talk with Agnes now about Anglophone crisis. These people where una see them for this image, so most of them now people the way they don't come out for Northwest and Southwest. They don't come out because they don't run their family and they run their house and they run their work them because they fear they may amber they no cut them, they fear they may amber they no kill them mercilessly, as they only kill plenty people them over these past 7 years where this senseless war they go on. Well, this image is the one that see and so come out from Gang Bakoko for Japoma. For that site for Douala, Japomata, for that site for Littoral region, this wall where when they see them so now they separate these houses the one see and way all the houses don't broke so these houses they don't broke so now some person where he get that BB house where he there across that wall don't talk say me they broke the people their house Why they get to broke the people that house them now? They broke people that shop them, broke people someone they even catch fire. Now all people them that picking them, mommy, small picking them, up plus baby them, they don't get place where they sleep now. Wait till it happen. They say that man in name where he get that house. You know, five a couple that name strong for TV, but they say that man, if at all through verification, will feel still realize say na Mulonga Oscar. Now some man way na big man for the country. Decide say this so make government delegates can use e power for broke these people their house. Who start the people they go now? They don't get any place for go. Now family them this way they outside. Mommy them they for outside, picking them they for outside. Their master they don't get again work for work. They don't even get again business for do because their shop them too it don't broke. All thing don't go inside water. They go chop now how for place like Douala where a man no fit enter money house go back 50 or 5 francs or even 100 francs say, Papa, give me chop, make I chop. If you don't know how to hustle, you don't know how to fight for yourself. The next one we'll go listen to. Now one of these countrymen them where it go tell you exactly what happened before they can broke their house, the conditions under which they broke a house. Story people them. Make we listen to this man where he talk
brother,
right now.
If you tell me what happened.
Okay, now with this way we don't promote for that side for Anglophone as thing then the strong for that side and as the war the all side we don't struggle for campaigns more we manage. Finally council come for here say man will get the war. Don't talk say they spoil the war. We don't know whether they spoil the war now how they come for here with people can give book for here say after how many days they will come broke the place. Unfortunately now in this way they don't come broken for night where no man no be aware. Everything will be there for inside my store will be getting for here. Don't tip at all. Boys they don't tip at all for here for this place. So now we don't come up for that type of struggle. Come for this side again. Now the same struggle they continue. Can't say the water group places them. They just small thing for manage for chop. In no way no day. So now we this now. We don't turn now for nothing.
You come now what time can broke?
They say around 3:30.
Jesus. Mais oh, je ne sais pas vraiment. Je ne sais pas ce qui se passe dans le Cameroun. Dans le Cameroun, là où chacun cherche ses 500 francs pour manger.
They don't come to me place, so we are just more preparing mama side. No one make 2 weeks wait for them. And this way, I don't come for sema can start like. I reach wait, they don't come to me thing. Carry all thing, even pin. No nothing no day. Place where they so I know no play will go start life again today. When my run come over Vanenda, how many days come back? So man can manage life. I think this way what happen for my life again. So I be homeless. I know no place will start. I know no place will go. All Robbie, all your word is sell them, all sepas, all things they don't carry, all things go. No nothing no day. Before they want call me, I want to reach don't thief all things, even one pin. I don't know. All things wrong go.
Il faut go where
autochtone. On ne sait pas. Après, ils sont arrivés à 3 heures. Ils nous ont cassé. Maman, ma maison, elle ne sait pas où aller dormir. Maman, moi, ma femme, mes 2 enfants et ma femme, elle ne sait pas où aller dormir. Apparemment, je vais aller dormir à la mairie, elle ne sait pas comment elle va faire. Ici, il est passé partout.
Asia. C'est à quelle heure? Ça s'est passé à quelle heure?
Ils sont arrivés ici aux environs de 3 heures. C'est à 4 heures qu'ils ont passé la carte. Je ne sais pas comment ça s'est passé. Même apparemment, il ne sait pas comment il va faire.
Ouais.
Il est ramassé là-bas chez moi.
Oh. A person this way don't dey for quarter. For more than how many years? He opened a tailoring workshop and then it be the sell chemist. Oh no, like our own doctor for quarter. Mommy, if you talk anything. Now where's he?
Wait, country people, una don't hear. I think so. Una don't listen to all these people. These people that are Cameroonian. When they get right to a livelihood for Cameroon. Why it be say only one individual because say it protect the interest only because say a wall be touched by some of these people that house them decide to they broke the people that house them. The people that house them be touch a house for overside the fence. No, The people their house they don't disturb you for the live in life, for the enter a gate, the enter a baby motor, the commode, the enter back every day, they go out for morning time, they come out for evening every day, as usual, as they do every day. No. But why broke their store now? Because they bring them back to 0.0. These people they go take money for chop now for side. Agnes, when you look this kind of thing, like a woman, and when you get hurt and when you be mommy picking, how you feel? If you find yourself in this kind of situation where your master, now one of the people there, for example, will not be wishing for any person, how it will be? Because you find for put yourself for inside some money shoe before you really understand what the money go through.
Of course, if you not put yourself for some money shoe, you not understand where that money go through. Because it's not easy for us to forget 1,000 this day. It's not easy. And then you will see someone man manage his small life. Forget the one way if he chop, what if he buy gari, eat JINGLA, picking them, you go the broker. That one I want to say now wickedness, that Flora.
I tell you.
Now wickedness, because I'm not seeing how that wall it is disturb you for enter a house. Some people don't say maybe they want to use the place for bills on thing. They will see in years to come that place will see this way they never be nothing for day. And with this situation, so we go make people then go start beating people. We go to complain say thief don't plenty for Cartier, thief don't plenty for country. Now only because of eating, because they don't get to where they chop. Yes. If they want to get to where they chop, they must find them. If you wait not they work now for outside too, it's not easy.
Yes.
And wait the way you will do. If you get a small place where you manage, so they don't take them, they broke them. Yes. You go start check say how go start back for square one. And so once they broke and so that property they see there for inside, they don't scatter them. People they don't can't thief them. They don't scatter them. Can't get the game money.
So one of them don't even talk fresh. So it can't go where it be there for inside a small store. Thief people they for quarter they don't can't thief and all. What he go do now?
It must be so because as they broke them, people they do it. They say Emma help you carry out the lie. They carry they gonna go. They need to give you.
Yes.
They gonna go. So one talk say that one them in a fine thing because it lead people there for do thing away they not fit for do. At this thing again. I come from my own case. 5 years ago, I be stay for some place for food that day.
Yes.
The man come now, baby man will go some hotel too. We can say one B another hotel for that place.
Yes.
They give you quick notice. That way they give quick notice, not even finish self. The man can just bring caterpillar, just can say move roof. Say more come up for house. As I talk for you now. Now 5 years today this. But that place, you see this on a grass grow there every year.
It makes you think about some other situation, the situation for people that for Dicolo, for some place for Douala, where they be broke them too, now because of some man two way it be one base or hotel, plenty people that be accused inside the matter and big name them. We no one side them. Big authorities them whether then give the go ahead. Now then they ever give the permission. Because if council caterpillar they study enter broke place, now because they don't get authority from above. Exactly. And that kind of thing would decry and would call on all our authorities there for country. Say on this very special Women's Day, yes, when I listen to the cry of woman them. When I listen to the cry of woman, we don't only talk about this house the way they broke them, but plenty other things the day way woman they go to cry today. And we must get opportunity at the end of this program to talk about them before we continue. Now we go next one day again. Mr. Tori Man Moko, General way the follow we up for the program very, very, very firmly, and we'll go see exactly for Southwest what they happen. As we come back for this studio, we want once again wish a very, very, very happy Women's Day for all the women them way they will get opportunity for call today because we go open telephone. Yes, time go reach where we Tori auntie them will open telephone so that we not fit tell we exactly what they happen or which would have tell you exactly what you wanna feel about all these things that will the Tori today for this very special edition for Women's Day. We will present them. Now we go take una go for Fako. Yes, we go take una go for Limbe precisely for shows this very strange image. Now say that people they don't be for fine place or na say na Limbe be that town where it be surrounded by plenty hidden. We went small rainfall so house that they become like say they don't turn be na boat them. Now person the roof that way they show for they like say na boat. Agnes, you see this image where they say I'm so. Imagine say bed then they for inside the house them. A parlor chair then they.
Close them
day. Documents and day. Birth certificate and day. Passport and day. And may that don't even make mistake even enter way picking them day because they can arrange if it be like that can arrange way be happen from Banko or not if been Bankolo for Yaoundé. Thank you for the correction, my sister. from Bankolo for your own year. We only rain for one night, so it sweep away plenty house them, keep plenty people them. We know one better kind of situation happen for we, because for Southwest region and for Northwest we don't overget plenty problem. So make nature even smile at we. What's going to happen for people then? I said they need to be for good condition them. They need to be for the right place. They don't get building permits for be for this kind of place then. Why it be say when small rain fall, all the kind of place be blocked? Now say drainage system no day, wait to be the problem.
I think say this kind of problem so when it be a drainage problem.
Yes.
Because if you see Sareman go big house, you know what I say man live small place where I fit dig gutter, where if rain fall, water fit pass. You go see man go just be use all land. If small part for land
all place so, just tight.
Don't put something there. Small part one be so you don't put something there. I believe say if with the big house you get boundary for year. Yeah, neighbor get your own boundary for you. Una leave some like 1 meter or 2 meters. One or talk say I don't know how they calculate that in them. I just the estimate.
Exactly.
You leave them where you feel make gutter for the way big gutter, maybe small gutter where small time dirty go block them.
Exactly.
Go can't block again. Occupy place. So you go big gutter. If we be able for big gutter them, we go get enough space where water go the pass. Water go the pass and dirty no go can't flock for that place for block the drainage where no go make a me water pass. So for me, I think say all the things the way they happen. So that because we will not get enough or a good drainage system for say me water begin the pass carry dirty freely. Now why that would get this situation and so.
Anyway, very important. That your point of view count a lot, and I hope say contribute for the way they watch where they stay for that side. I want to talk Asia for the people the way they get the house them. Asia for inhabitants for the area. I don't know exactly which precise locality this place for Limbe be, but at this image I will take and show with Toriman. We decide to show on the morning for make a these people they be sensitized where they know exactly say they get to consider all these things they like drainage whenever they build their house them. Consider the fact say they so now in the beginning of rainy season, we there for beginning for month from March. Rain go fall plenty, rain go fall plenty, and when rain they fall. Rain too, as how the glassy place with the cold, that's how the rain to the bring.
And Flora, I want you to say, people the way that they study society, where they study how rain go be this year, how it go be next year, they don't really come out for talk say they want the rain will go there this year. It not go be easy one. Say the rain will go be this year, the rain will never ever see and before.
So we just
we don't already experience and say only the first day way rain before for the March. It not be easy.
Yes.
So we therefore prepare ourselves very well because the rain this year, as people the way they don't study and say the rain will go be the year, it not go easy. And so we just inform una say una be cautious and una take care for una property them. How we if we talk say we for make good drainage. People they there for swampy area. We not say this time so it not ever easy for them. You go see man who come morning time will go work. Water don't flop the whole place. Water don't meter you for mattress. If you say you then inside see the swim.
You go do that before you reach office where your skin dry. Anyway, more person don't like for doing inside that kind of situation. Now why that they never talk say intelligent people that they buy house na time for rainy season. Intelligent man supposed to buy land na time for rainy season. Because if you don't buy hand, time for rainy season. When the rainy season go come, now for them you go no say they so that house may be rented, for example, begin hold them because rain don't start for plenty. Now the other small to read that one on top the one way I did not put down like this morning. 30 people come for them, thank you plenty as well. Join we today. Small time we will open the telephone for una for call we for tell we exactly what you wanna think. We want thank once again the collaboration for the big master talk. You say way there for back screen, way be for back the machine today, way they control this program. Now after a general moko, make we carry what Tori man for Kumba, we na Mr. Oben send me some very interesting image about this human investment for roads. Yes, this one na Kumba 2 municipality. We don't glad say they so people that for Southwest they don't really start to do too like people that for Northwest. When they don't wait to make government react for a very long time, government no one react for fix one road. Senior divisional officer tell people they say una come out from una house and come start the see the pothole them because the pothole they don't cause plenty Okada man they are die plenty accident don't happen around this Kumbawata area, around this Fiango Road area, there around all these places there for Kumba. If at all you know Kumba small, Agi, you go no say this so it be very important. This walkway Chamberlain to one down when a senior divisional officer for Meme he decides say alongside other people, them other authorities, the way they accompany for this very important activity. We think about activities them. Will it be led by other people that way they follow you? Yes, other people that they follow you inside this important activity. They're like the DO, in fact, the DO for Kubatu, yes, and also the big man for public works, with Emmanuel Azange, where he joined these people. Then she don't for them without green clothes, without green gandura, na Papa into one dog Chamberlain, yes, where they supervise the work. Where people that don't decide, so they can mix cement and sand for make sure say they fill this pothole them. This pothole don't cause too many accidents. Madam Agnes, too many accidents. Imagine say this so Okada band drive you for night where you don't know. Light no day, place quiet, all place, don't light no day. After he enter inside hole and then some BB motor they come opposite. Don't be not die that.
Not die that. And Flora one talk say they talk for big grammar say a stitch in time saves 9. If you be say we get small hole, we'll be able for maintain that hole or for do maintenance for that hole. You know, can be one way the hole go big, because we for Cameroon or for other side the way with the Siam, would the one and say make place spoil all before we start fixing. No, that one not go for be so. As it is spoil, more try for the fixer. Because when we go live and we don't plenty, because end of the year na money. Also we go get money for the fix the plenty. So that work way Kumbanen Chamberlain the do and for Kumbade, na very fine work. Kumbana a beautiful town.
Yes, the green town.
The town will be there for primary school. We get that reader say where the guy can for day. Kumba is a very big town, a beautiful town. It has good markets, this and that.
The green town.
Of course, Kumba never changed. So we pray say make that work it continue. That one a fine work for make our.
It's always a lot for all my way watching for that side for Mene Division or for NJANGI Division, for Fako, for Kumba especially. I want thank Chamberlain to Wondong for this wonderful work with Papa SDO they do for that side for Kumba. We don't see say it work plenty. It work plenty because it do plenty in them, and we media they always be very omnipresent whenever that Papa they pass for any side. Now some work them this work supposed to encourage them and say make other people there for other localities them agi make they begin they do the same thing too, so that make their roads and they fine, but they don't get any issues them. Now from that Kuba road, yes, we don't forget for mention say another Toriman way they for back way they make things easy for we in Francois, what they call and say Francesco very fondly. Francesco, we will go right now to Bamenda main market. Yes, Bamenda main market a few weeks back. That fire we see and so we stand up for one store. Agnes, this small fire we see and so for one store. As they never talk say they so now one rotten cocoa they spoil the whole back. One rotten cocoa they spoil the whole back. Now that small fire for inside the one store where you see and so we start for daytime around 5 o'clock this day for Bamenda main market. Now you take the whole market. Now you burn more than 400 shop them. More than 400 shop them, 30 people them. More than 400 shop them. Una SMS them, of course, una the send for the number one at the see and so that make to read man. General Moko go send for we will send una the reaction we'll get them concerning this program for today. But the time for call we will send the number one will call day. Now that fire that we need the fire brigade where it comes safe for hour they will feel lost and because the fire be done too much. Question the way any man they ask Agnes for this market can say where the fire come out from. Make we not always blame say na Amber they don't burn market na lie. If you see this way, like for other market they would ever say, would ever say for plenty market there for Douala, for central market for Douala, plenty fire incident that occur over the years. Where the fire incident they occur because of short circuit, because of wrong connection them left and right. You go
light for here, put the one put and so.
Take light, share with 5 people then. Take light, share with 10 people then collect B for left and right. After that, now this kind of thing too be the consequence.
But Flora, as you talk, say this fire, it is starting for some one shop. My problem I say, power this fire be start for one shop. So people they take that their phone them. They do recording. Why would not be the people the way they be there and it start early? Take the phone fire. People will say the people not be there for the place. People population be there as well. They see for television.
Exactly.
What is the why they not if find solution at that time? They wait so they spread the whole place so they burn over 300 shops. Then another one they shock people.
Another one they really shock people. Agnes, the next image we will get them now follow up for this fire incident, because after this incident, local authorities then for Bamenda, yes, the mayor for Bamenda, Paul Achombong, alongside some other people then, of course, they go visit this market. They go visit the market for talk with the people then where they sell and buy for the market, for they buy and sell and them, especially for woman them and man them where they get this stuff. Look at the image. See the image. This image shown an image for store where they don't burn. All things don't burn. One person they talk say he don't lost like that kind of 80 million for inside one store. You go feel saying a lie, but we're not true. When you see person we get electronics shop, how much did they sell one flat screen of maybe 32 inches, for example? If I get to take now only that example, and imagine electronics shop and how many kinds in them, all the appliances the way they sell them for inside. How much each and every one of that in the shop? You want to calculate all things now. You realize that so even people the way their ship be even come from China where they be just remove their stock from this thing from sea. Now all that don't go inside water only for this small fire.
Now fire can turn big fire.
Small fire can turn big fire. And so this other visit where we see them so country people them for these images them where we show for LTM this morning. Now the follow up of this fire incident, because after the fire incident, if you say Paul Achombong and some other authorities them for inside Bamenda, they enter inside the market. Yes, we get even one countryman George Etowe be bring me for other follow up where he be even do stand up for they will be see for NJANGI house where countryman General Moko be shown for years some few weeks back where even they explain exactly what happened. So each and every one of these people and these traders them, they don't meet up them for talk one on one of them with them. For us them say how much you be invest for inside a shop and how much you don't lost for inside the shop. So other people then they so other woman they will interview and when I do that report. That woman they talk say they so they come out run from Chomba. As they run from Chomba because of Anglophone crisis, their mammy tell them say they pack all their birth certificate them and all their passport them. So one they be surely want travel, keep them for inside their store. As how that fire don't burn so and all that. Imagine you are picking their birth certificate them, you are picking their passport them. Una go stand up for outside before no answer make new passport, before no answer make new ID. Where birth certificate no day. Una see the loss. The loss not be only material, but even be more emotional than material, because I see people that they cry like small picking them for this Bamenda market fire. Agnes, what do you think about them?
We know say for Cameroon now, forget birth certificate, ID card, you know, easy. At least passport now, let me not problem. But if you make passport where you not get birth certificate or ID card, yes, no, now for the problem then now.
Exactly.
So it's not really easy. And at the one time, some people they just call the money self. Some one the day they call money way, even till they don't loss up, it pass the money where they call her.
Yes.
Because they not give the estimate correctly. That one they just say they estimate say they don't lose this amount. But if you want to go deeply, they don't lose more past the way they call her.
Exactly.
One talk say share for that people they may not really easy, but as long as we will get life, God go give we that power for continue the work and it go ahead.
Country people them Agnes don't talk the reading. After everything, we must always put all things for God's hand, because without God, we will not be anything. Now only God, now He the maker will see they alive today. Now He the maker will even day for here today. Now He the maker will join other women them with our voices them today, very humbly for celebrate the 39th edition for Women's Day, and in a very special way. Now why that gonna realize say channel LTM today be very colored only by women. Women it go begin right from the morning as it be start with Miss Nono and it go finish right for evening time. Will Larissa be them for news for English language, and we'll continue again because Toriman go permit me very soon for open telephone. Yes, we go open telephone so that we gonna fit call talk about anything we wanna see today where it hot una anything we wanna see today where we wanna fit give una own contribution, or anything we wanna see today we wanna fit decide for talk say okay this one na so they begin to do them, this one na so they begin to do them. Make we take small air now we small thing make we breathe and then we'll come back for continue this story today. We will just say this, so charity begins at home. We don't start with charity begins at home. And it also because the person where they on my right side and where he share this set with me today. I will talk now about some place where you can put the Egbekpo. Yes. Wait and you don't do now. Where electricity pole they fall down and they expose small picking them. We will see primary school and nursery school picking the worker for place where electricity pole in office stand correct. Wait and you don't do now. Richard Bonado commence son song. Il y avait quoi avant? Il y avait quoi avant? It shows say this so country before be still sweet past the way it is now. Il y avait quoi avant? For that we don't cite plenty company the way if be there for this country Cameroon, but way today they be defunct. Today they really exist again. Because we don't know again whether we they inside the country by ourselves or we they on ourselves. Even if we dey by ourselves, look at the electric pole and this high tension cable the way they block road. When I imagine the population, when I see the marketplace that this place where they see and so now for Manfe exactly for Southwest and for that side for Egbekpo. Some institution there for day and we marketplace they only for corner, some school they only for corner. Wait till where these people where they stay for here don't do for in a year. Even the kind of thing happen saying overnight. Maybe they will come with that pole so that they protect citizens in their life. Agi.
Of course, they get for protect citizens in their life because as you see them, at the still like say water there for that place.
Yes.
And water that the pass day. I will not say water and light. They be friend. Where anything will happen. So as Flora talks, small beginning the pass day, mommy the pass day. So they don't even know they will not send a normal cable. They go just can carry on food drop. One year say some person don't die. Because of carelessness. Because the one where they say and so na carelessness. Will not fit also will not be aware, will not be maybe ignorance, na carelessness.
Yes. We
know say pour on for day and we go for do take action quick, but we not do nothing. We do wait when they don't say 1 or 2 people they don't die before we go start run.
And we don't like a baby say may die first happen. We don't want die.
We don't even plenty again because
not plenty again. We don't finish them.
And then we will still continue for die for thing away we know say we fit find solution. One day we not fit find solution we go understand. The one way we fit find solution for find a solution quick we know they see do nothing. We wait and say maybe people start die before we find solution.
So I think say it will be an opportunity for we now for call on NAU officials them for make sure say they look into this problem because the person the countryman will send with this video don't cry beg we don't say LTM we the beg we now we all were show this image show this image country people so that may they know say exactly for this part of Cameroon now so this thing they happen for this locality where you see and when people their house then they plenty where people they go school now some school that one they see and for that image they so when I look and find country people them now school that so if that picking they get to go for school and if they get to cross that cable them imagine as they go dima before they get enter inside their classroom then it be normal. It not be normal. So we'll make sure say this. So we remind our authority the way they watch. We certainly this morning country people them say they make sure say they go for that place them as soon as possible for solve this problem because say but they don't wait to make disaster happen as how we act and stop for here. We know we want for get our tears and our eyes for cry when things go down really bad. We like for be preventive. It's fine for prevent than for cure. When you know say this way if you avoid a situation. Make we just start avoid the situation before the worst happen. Not be so, my sister.
Now so.
Another one now to take me for the next part of this story today, and we're going to go back for Northwest Region. Yes, contribute the Northwest Region this time around. We're going to talk about this visit for Senior Divisional Officer for Donga Bantung Division. Yes, big man for Donga Bantung Division. Don't go visit road number 11, and a very good news for the people that ready to stay for this site. Road number 11 for this area. Very good news because this big man for this area, where it is George Magloire Basilican, yes, now SDO for Ndonga Matung, you don't make sure say may go visit this very important road. This road, now National Road number 11, very important. Happy Women's Day for all people them for Kumba, Mutengene, Limbe, Tiko, Tombel, Bangem, Lum, Mbanga, Nkongsamba. Yes, we'll continue first with this story before we send all our salute them. Because they salute them, they plenty, and we know they plenty, but they watch we plenty from all over. Now, we want to talk about this George Magloire Basilican where he don't go visit. He don't visit this road number 11 where he pass through he passed through Osaje, then he even passed through Kumbo. Me, I be picking for Kumbo, I come over Jakiri. So I know the way this thing be important. When now around 3 of this road construction work companies that they handle this work, would you just say this? So with this big man SDO if visit, say the speed of the road go go be accelerated. So they go make fast. They go make the road finish fast. So that may motor the pass very easily and may woman them be able to carry their load them from their farms them to their homes them, or maybe from their farms them even to their markets. Agnes, this kind of road they so yes we see them. Country people them wanna look and find that tractor there. This one have to fix that road number 11. Yes, road number 11 way. Now be controlled by George Magua Basilican will be SDO. Now don't come visit for talk for the people there, for the population along this stretch. Say may they be calm. Government they make sure say they do everything for accelerate the road so that may things then be in the next days to come very easy for them. Yes,
of course. And if we equally talk say may the population for that part of the country, may they put their hands together, may they join this company the way they make sure say may they get tar, because you know say when road pass development to the continue,
that one is so very short,
of course. And all money crying and say may road pass for that place, because people they don't cry plenty say we not get road, we not fit carry chop from bush, we not fit carry chop from house go for another country. You go
for market self, go sell
for village, they go give you small chop. You know if you carry am because the road not there for carry am. You go start the chain and say this chopper I want carry am, so the transport where I go pay am. Maybe you go pass the thing way if you are rich for somewhere you go and take that money and buy the chop. The way we get plenty chop for bush, but because of road we not fit carry and can have. So we pray God say and we thank the people with the company where they make sure say that road small time people they go to pass freely. Now fine work.
Now fine work, Agnes, as you talk, fine work where we go congratulate even the company the way they do all things possible so that the road be delivered in due time. We just had about less than 10 minutes for the program, yes, because we'll separate very soon country people them, but we'll not be separate, we will not ask would have a call because time for call they can't reach country people them. We'll go call we now for talk exactly what you wanna think about them for waiting. We wanna think about yes, a happy Women's Day for all our country people them, all our country women them, all our auntie them, sister them, and all our picking them too where they watch we from Kumba, Mutengene, Limbe, Munya, Nyasoso, Bangem, Lum, Banga, Penja. You will talk Happy Women's Day now for who they begin.
I want to say Happy Women's Day for all people they did that side, for Manfe, for Ngbeko, for Banya, for Bisingabang, for Nchang, for Fine Talk, for Bachua and all the neighboring villages and where they get from Manfe Central.
Hello for all the way they watch me for Kinsunjam, for Jakiri, for Minsai, for Kikaike, yes. I don't say Moko they look me that they shake your head say wait till it happen for this woman. For people that they watch me for that side for Donga Mantu, yes, and people that they watch me for Ndu, Udi Salo, all man from Kambe, all that people from Kambe, and the community that will be highly represented here, even for the center region. Would you take the first call? Just try for call right now, and we don't miss the first call. Yes, you fit try for call me again, because the telephone don't be open now, so that you fit talk. Man, we don't get the first call when Mr. Tanto. Yes, Mr. Tanto will call me right now. Mr. Tanto, Saloto, good afternoon. Happy Women's Day for even all people around you, and even your woman or your mommy or your sister, them, my auntie them.
Happy Women's Day, my dear. I don't appreciate when I very well for which when I don't do I'm very well. I want to just appreciate when so I don't enjoy when I program very well. I don't watch up. When I be perfect, I do when I cafe. Say the woman they really good for LTM. So all my way to watch LTM, I appreciate when I very well for when I don't do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you plenty, Papa Tanto. Thank you plenty very much. Thank you. The message be very encouraging. We want to salute to you and all people that are there around you and when they watch the program. We thank you for that encouraging message. We don't give for me and Agnes this morning. Would you get the next caller right now? Good morning, madam. Happy Women's Day, woman. Hey. Happy Women's Day, Asaka. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. We are proud of who we are. Thank you very much, my sister.
Anything that a man can do, a woman can do it better.
Yes, Agnes said feedback will be.
Yes, I've been a fan club for General Moko, so I'm very happy to
Thank you plenty very much. I think Lori for Central Bar. Thank you plenty and happy Women's Day. We want to say celebration, but that side it was hot today because you know it's easy for women their skin. Oh. Okay, same to you, mommy. Have a nice day. And the next caller we will receive now. So I guess that's other caller. Yes, so other person will either online today from NJANGI House. Good morning. Hey. Hey.
Yes, mommy, they already do hard work for that studio.
Thank you plenty, sister. Thank you plenty. Oh, thank you. Happy Women's Day for you and the people around you.
Thank you.
Wait to be and then, Mama. Where you call from?
I come from Bokwai village.
Okay, you come from Bokwai village or Southwest? For Boya.
Yes, for Boya.
Okay. Oh, thank you plenty. We want salute all my way there around you. Send with the salute for them. Oh, I hope so when they watch LTM TV. When I don't miss any of our program, they will go past today because today so we dedicate the whole of our channel not to woman them.
Oh yes. We every time that they give me better news.
Okay, Mom.
As the team for this year, they talk to me at the red progress. Like a woman there, we talk to me woman they go before. Oh, so, who carry the flapper with nature.
Oh, Boso, oh, Busa, as Dollar Man talk. Thank you plenty, Auntie. We get another country woman where they call we, or maybe that's some countryman where they call for talk today morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Now who they call and where they call from? Hey, we don't forget about Flora. Oh, sorry, I beg no vex. We don't ever forget Flora people them. Chai, how would you forget about Flora people them? We just allow all when you watch me from Gokitunja, Flora, other side. Wait to be a name and wait. Who's side you call from?
I come from Flora subdivision. My name is Mr. Guda Austin.
Mr. Guda Austin, thank you plenty as they call we. You got something for talk today?
I say, as talk.
We don't talk about plenty thing over. We don't talk about woman the activity then. We don't talk about police woman and custom woman where they go visit orphan them, where they do big better work them. We talk about SDO they fix road. We talk about people they broke their house them. We talk about thing the way woman they fit do as woman they for make sure say they join hand together for even stop this Anglophone crisis so that make life day easy for Cameroon like before.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. So all for the children I say they be very happy for the Women Day today.
Thank you plenty, Papa. Thank you plenty.
Let's give a talk of woman then.
For woman then, I just want to encourage them. Say may they put power for anything where they do. Oh. And happy Women Day to them. Oh. May they not forget themselves. May they finish the number, they will go back for house. May they don't forget Papa that will pick in them for house.
Like the woman that did not the past, they say they will give me all.
Okay. Woman Day. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, so no other woman they around you. Okay, we want to thank all people that they call with this morning for this program, and we'll get the next caller. Yes, the person they online already. Good morning and thank you for calling. Now who you call and where you call from? Hey, hey. How phone for your TV, Papa? If you want some story fine, off for your television, you see or no? If you off or you reduce volume for your TV, we will talk better.
Okay,
hello, you see I say they fine now, no?
Okay, I'm going for Tom and Abaoga.
Okay, for Tom. Hey, Tombo people. Abaoga. Asange. I just allow for Tombo to talk the answer. Asange.
I won't pay.
Aha. I mean, if you say I don't forget my tumble, my Bakosi lesson them. How the woman did go for that side?
No, we see about Sidico. You know, so do that side not easy.
No, Papa. Much courage for una, eh? Much courage. It don't be because they would there for your own the airway. We know the feel una pain, you hear?
Yeah.
Yes,
so,
the feel una pain.
The truth, you want me to let you I want to talk and I say. woman lay too we dey expect am a woman lay when the thing dey go on wey dey broke people that house wey dey not dey sleep for bed they can't broke thief their cackle woman lay dey for na dem get power na this kind of opportunity the way one can make dem get am wey dey comot make their voice be heard for the country.
na why that we dey there for talk pa na why that we dey there for talk because our voice is dem by force they go hear am na by force today. Yes. They never hear am for the other years and they go hear am today by force.
Yes, one woman be for some position where if woman talk for the country, they will hear them.
Yes.
Yes. See the big struggle for knowledge. So when woman come on, I tell you that too. Country will hear that.
Oh, thank you plenty, pa. Would the praise the God even hear you talk to because this one a prayer away all man. All man yes. Only anglophone them when they be concerned, they get them. Thank you plenty.
People suffer.
People will suffer. Thank you plenty for your call, papa. We get the next call. Person, call me again. Next caller on the line, we'll get to other person. Yes, hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my dear. How are you? How are you there today?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I think
yes? Hello? Yes, I did listen to you. Now who the call and where you the call from? I beg reduce the volume whenever una dey call. I want to country people that I beg. When una want call, una make sure say una reduce volume for una television because if una not reduce the volume, we no go hear you una dey talk. Okay. Una see and say this so when the conversation no dey pass fine, we must pass for the next caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I come from Godwin.
Ah, you come from Gondon? Gondon na my village.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning. Asaka.
No,
Kijung Fei.
Okay, that's very good. We don't watch give me the moment the fight today.
Okay, thank God. Thank God. You see, I say this, so we women they will not decide for stand today for replace Toriman. Toriman, where we want this, so we make sure we send all information for you in due time. We know like what you get to do now.
Yes.
Correct. What did it happen? How the women's day pass for that side from Gondon?
No, they're fine.
I want precise in Gondon and Mamami village, eh? And Mamami they from Gondon. No, Jackie na my papa's side, in Gondon na Mamami side. I know you. This matter serious. Thank you plenty. I wish a happy Women's Day to all people that are there around you, brother.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for calling. Next call. Hello. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, good morning, madam. What is your name and where did you come from?
Onila Benet from Douala.
Onila Benet from Douala. Oh my gosh. Onila Benet, how are you there today?
I'm fine. I see the Chakara pigeon for TV.
I said the struggle for Chakara the pigeon. It's our one style so. And I did Agnes here.
Now so. I salute Agnes for the Happy Women's Day.
Thank you. Woman.
Hey.
I must not here say Onila Donet na an award-winning journalist.
Wow.
He work for Douala. Onila Donet, a very smart Kamasech member. I want to salute all the women that were there for Kamasech. Member there for Cameroon Association of English-Speaking Journalism. Where they watch this program from all over Cameroon today, even from Douala. Hello.
Yes. So then when you watch out.
Hello. Next caller.
Yeah, hello. Good morning, madam. I'm small scale. I'm calling from Germany.
Wow. Okay, you're calling from Germany. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for the call. This one, we go that call. Agnes, we get
you always I just want to appreciate all keep me informed for the next really happen.
What you get for Tori House?
Yes, I still want to talk about this women. The beginning, you try to get the same idea with me again, like Germany with me a day.
Yes.
Today, na day women then go protest for their rights. For example, domestic violence, for example, if they are not well treated, the government is not treating them well, and so on.
Yes.
So there's just no reason for women here to enjoy, to celebrate it. It is a day for protest, or people sit at home. For you not even know that Women's Day self. You only see for the protest now, all that. But for Cameroon, they want to understand an enjoyment day.
Oh, is it on the line?
Of things that go wrong, we used to say don't mention some of them.
Yes.
Where did the key when picking was for Anglophone Cameroon?
Yes.
Did the key women them? Did the key children? Did the key when men them? We don't how to enjoy, to celebrate. I don't understand. So in this way, I be fierce until they can at this. So women are supposed to come out. Can't tell government say, well, we don't tire with this suffer. Or you don't rise price with things that you don't high up. Did the key will make them do something? But they come now and say everything is going on well.
You don't talk fine talk, brother. You are talking a very fine talk and very pertinent talk. This one again, now for other talk where we supposed to conclude this program with them. As I be tell Agnes at the beginning of the program, we like women them, we supposed to join our voice for other women, their voice them. For talk say this, so this still not too much. It don't too much. They don't want to increase price for fuel, and then life be difficult already. We know the salary that they increase, but we only see as how money the only short, but you see as how life the only hard. We'll get some other caller for line. Thank you very much. Hello, thank you for joining us. Now who will call? Hello, good morning. Okay, you call from your own. I beg, lower the volume for your television. Oh, I beg.
Okay, madam, I want to congratulate you for the news when you don't take over.
I never take over. Oh. Don't make me this one now. You want me something do me? I don't want me a coup d'etat. Something will do me. Oh. Because this program has a soul. This program get a soul, and the soul is in NJANGI house. Where the owner, General Moko.
On this Women's Day, then.
Will you take over only today?
Okay.
Okay. I want my children to come back for us tomorrow.
I want to today show.
Okay, thank you. What do you think?
We don't do it today on this Women's Day.
Thank you, Pa.
And I will talk say every woman is very, very careful this day. They do not celebrate for any nonsense.
Yes.
I say today for your own, especially with Francophone sisters, they never drink beer then is the head body to the way cover inside body.
Now social media they ever bring with the thing the next day or even for evening time. All we want an stable woman they just be honored because women get a very important role to play for society. Would the praise some of that kind of thing that they happen because women they don't start open eye.
Exactly, madam. And then for talk also say make women remember say they get to go back to their various houses as early as possible because about night most of the bad things that would happen. Most of the things they would not like after this day at that time the things that would happen.
We don't hear Uncle, we don't hear the message on pass. And I think say all the women they listen to this program today when they watch they know say the message on pass. Any woman where they outside for enjoy today, whether they're under company or under association or as family, go make sure say they so make you go back for house for a master because say woman's in only one day. You don't go see Sunday after you don't go see Christmas. You forget say Sunday there every Sunday. Hello? We'll take the last call and after that we'll finish this program. Now the call and I wait to be your name.
Yeah.
Hello? Who the call? I wait to be your name. Where you the call from?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga. Now wait to be your name. Who said the call from?
I come from Kambe. For Kungi.
Aha, from Kambe.
Yes, for Kungi.
For Kungi for okay, now Mr. Tom.
Yes, I'm Mr. Tom.
Aha, they don't tell me say Mr. Tom. Ava, okay. Same to you. I am encouraged. In fact, when I say same to you, it's not that you're a woman. Same to you. I am a woman. Them. In fact, or a woman, or a mommy, or a auntie. Them. All the other people around going a woman.
When you say woman, them, I say get plenty woman. Oh, I say the woman they do for your house.
Hey, if you be a
okay, now only Madam Colette. Now only
Madam. Well, we have to Colette. Happy Women's Day.
Same to you. I don't see my brother. What you don't make coup d'etat for you.
No, never make me coup d'etat, oh boy. He will come back. I bet. Now only for today.
Okay, thank you for me.
He already here. Thank you plenty. So all my for man too.
Okay.
Thank you, and have a very nice day. Thank you for calling, sir.
Thank you.
I think say this so country people them we don't already come for the end of the program. We don't get plenty calls them today, plenty calls, and we thank you all for the concern we don't show for we this morning. Yes, we thank you all for the attention we don't pay for this program. We know say there's so plenty people that go out for talk. Yes, and I think say there's so time to already reach for go out of this studio. Woman day. Hey, Agnes, what you gonna be our last story we will talk today?
I want to talk say as women they celebrate themselves today. We know say plenty people they feel say women they go just go outside, they drink, they carry kaba for up. But this time around it not be the case because as the team they talk say investing in women and we get for accelerate the pace. What will we do for make sure say that position the way woman they not they make woman into the be there because question and then they can't say why woman their own level for military work the LTM for deal. Why woman not be SDO? Why woman not be governor?
Why they don't go to parliament? Why they know they will see the plenty like man picking them?
At first for country we not say minister the woman they not be there but we see now say for minister work plenty woman they there we want to say now small woman they will occupy all position them and we wish a happy women day for all mommy them for all women the way they do for outside whether the wash wheel now the one the way they know the wash wheel we say happy women day to all women and we have to celebrate well.
Happy Women's Day for all women, for LTM television. Happy Women's Day for all people the way they be in one way or the other linked to us. We want to say Happy Women's Day to Larissa. We want to say Happy Women's Day to Lorraine. Whether they just join we now because the program they go continue. We now go see the only woman face so we now tired till evening time. And we now thank also. We want act beg muna thank we. Oh, in fact, we want join we thank people the way they don't help we for this program and they talk about the Bassatori itself when General Moko and Francois will be there for technical dashboard and also thank our general supervision under Mr. Jolie Kum. We thank each and every person we don't call this day. We thank you very much. Maybe it's other opportunity will be again we will see we today. But anyway, we want to say Woman Day. Happy Women's Day. We're not going to excesses, so when I go back for house when Tori finish or when celebration finish. I don't go. Bye bye. I'll be there. Yeah.